Got the dust knocked off of it, wiped it down, so when the graphics guy's ready, we can get that done. Don't mind some of this stuff. I'm not worried about it. We still got the little stuff to go over here and there. Updating the safety. Should I leave these chrome? Maybe. I think I might. Then we got that hose replaced, so no more kinks in there. Everything's good now. Let's go ahead and get this thing lowered real quick, shall we? Make sure everything's on. Bum, bum, bum. Redid this inside here. Remounted the fire extinguisher between the legs, just in case. Also gives us more room to move around inside the car. Let me know. Oh, also, America. God bless. Hope everybody stays blessed. Y'all have a good night.